How to do drainage around a garage. Water accumulation and flooding are concerns for many homeowners. If left untreated, damage to your home, garage, or personal belongings becomes a potential threat. Installing a drainage system will help to alleviate some of these water accumulation issues. Certain guidelines exist that one needs to keep in mind while building a drainage system around the garage, such as the position and angle of the pipes, as well as the proper tools to use. Things you'll need: duckbill shovel, square point spade, measuring tape, 4x4 piece of lumber, level, PVC piping, length will vary, PVC connectors, amounts will vary, PVC glue, 1-inch gravel, amount will vary, stepping stones or sod. Dig a trench for your drain system with a duckbill shovel square point spade. You will want to dig 6 inches across and 2 feet down. Because this is drainage for your garage, you will want to position your trench where the water runs off of the roof onto the ground. Position the drainage discharge area of your trench at the edge of the property in an area that you don't mind water flowing to, or toward a storm drain. Make the trench as close to this area as you can safely and in accordance with any local regulations. Check with your local zoning authorities if you have any questions. Make sure your trench is level or slightly angled with the lower part pointing toward your discharge point. Use a level for this and adjust your trench accordingly. The trench must be level or sloping the right way or the drainage system will not work. Compact the soil in your trench with the back of a shovel or a 4x4 piece of lumber. Fill the trench with a 1 to 2 inch layer of gravel. Measure the length of your trench so you know how much 4-inch PVC piping to buy. You will want the perforated kind of piping with 1 or 2 layers of holes. Purchase that amount of piping from a home improvement store. Position your PVC piping in the trench. The holes should point down toward the dirt and gravel so it will drain effectively. Connect the pieces of piping with PVC connectors and PVC glue. After you have connected the piping and laid it out, double-check that the piping is level or sloping. Cover piping with gravel that is 1 inch in diameter or bigger. You can fill the trench until the gravel is 1 inch from the surface line and add a layer of sod on top. Another option is fill the trench with gravel and top with stepping stones for an aesthetically pleasing look. Tips: warnings. Wear gloves while working on this project to protect your hands.